This is going to be a super quick tutorial on how to create a new EC2 instance and how to connect to this instance using RDP. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is you want to sign in to your AWS account, either using a root account or a console IAM account. So for this example, I'm using my own IAM account. And once you're signed in, you will land on this AWS Management Console. You can either search, or if you've viewed or visited EC2 instances in the past, you can select EC2 from here. So I'm just going to select the EC2. Next, you want to launch instance. Alright, so now you get to pick what operating system you want to launch. For this tutorial, I'm just going to select Microsoft Windows Server 2019 base because we're able to RDP, and also it's part of the free tier eligible class. So let's select that. Yep, this one right here. And we're just going to leave the defaults. This is basically the free tier eligible type. So we're going to leave that and hit review and launch. We're not going to customize anything else, subnets, gateways, nothing. No networking settings are going to be changed for this example. We're just going to leave the default details and storage types. So let's hit launch. And now we get to pick a key pair. Basically, a key pair is a private key that allows us to decrypt a password that allows us to connect to this new instance. So this is the one that I created earlier, so I'm just going to create a brand new key pair. Just going to call it, I don't know, key pair 1, 2, 3. Alright, so now let's download key pair. Okay, and let's save it somewhere we can find. So in the downloads folder, it's under PEM file, so let's save that, and we can we'll just leave this for later, and let's launch instances. So this is going to take some time. I'm probably going to pause the video and resume once the instance is up and running, and that way we can basically connect to it using RDP. Alright, see you soon. And we are back. As you can see, the new instance is running and has a little green check mark here saying that it checked, that it passed all the status checks. So essentially it's up, running, and we're ready to connect. So the next thing we need to do before connecting, we need to decrypt the password. So let's select the new instance, and let's go up to Actions and Get Windows Password. So now we want to browse to the new key pair we created earlier. So we want to browse and select key pair 1, 2, 3. That's just the name that I created, that I gave the PEM file. And let's hit open. So there's the private key, and we want to decrypt password. So now we have the information we need in order to RDP to our new instance. So we have the public DNS, username, and password. So let's just copy the DNS name first. Let's copy that and open up a new RDP session. And let's paste it in here under computer, and let's hit connect. Now we're just going to type in administrator, or you could copy it from the credentials screen. And then the password we can copy to clipboard. Let's go back to our RDP and paste that in, hit OK. This is just the remote desktop security warning. You can hit yes, or also select this if you don't want this to come up next time. And that is it. It's logging me in, and you can use it just like any other Windows Server operating system. It just takes a little bit to to log in for the first time. Obviously, it's creating a brand new profile. And here we go. We are logged in and on the desktop. So again, this was a very quick tutorial, and to show you also how easy it is to spin up a new EC2 instance and how to RDP. Thank you again for watching. Have a nice day.